Now, we all know that Joe Rogan has done a lot of DMT, but I don't think he has seen the light. Now, I'm not much of a Joe Rogan fan myself, but I do respect him. He has done a lot to bring an entire generation of young American men out of fear and anger and encourage them to take responsibilities for themselves. Once people take responsibility for themselves, they naturally operate from a level of consciousness known as pride. They finally start to make their own beds, they stand up straight, they go to the gym. As the saying goes, they're finally starting to get their shit in order. Joe will forever have my respect for these reasons. Now, that being said, pride is ego, and to a large degree, that's where I believe Joe is still stuck. We did a survey last year that showed 46% of Americans believe that they are the best person they know. In other words, 46% of people are still totally stuck in ego. So despite Joe's money and access to lots of DMT and whatever else, I don't think he has seen the light. Now, how do I know this? Well, I don't. But I was stuck in pride myself for years despite using lots of psychedelics, and you can really see it in his speech and his behavior. On the odd occasion that I do listen to something from Joe, I can't help but notice there's a lot of negativity, there's kind of a lot of judgment, F this guy, F those people, that kind of style of thinking. So as millions of people choose Joe over mainstream media, it's important that we see that it's just more of the same kind of divisive energy, but at a slightly higher frequency. Pride from Joe versus fear from the mainstream media. Again, this is not a criticism of Joe. He is the hero the American people needed to help them rise up to a higher level of consciousness, and that's amazing. For those of you who are thinking of working with substances like 5-MeO, DMT, ayahuasca, etc., make sure you have the right peaceful, loving intentions. You are doing mental and emotional work around these experiences, and that way you have a better chance than not of working your way towards the light. Much love and much aloha. Safe journeys.